Turkey seems to be on a tear when it comes to cryptocurrency. And Binance is leading the pack at bringing more fiat on-ramps. Now, in a match made in heaven, the largest cryptocurrency exchange and Turkey's biggest bank Akbank have teamed up. Turkey's teams ahead with cryptocurrency projects. According to a post on the company blog this morning, Binance is going all in on Turkey by teaming up with its largest bank. Turkish users will now be able to instantly deposit and withdraw using Turkish lira. This is the first bank ever to integrate directly with Sharp Binance. First bank ever to integrate directly with Sharp Binance. At Akbank beginning today, users will be able to instantly deposit and withdraw Turkish lira on Binance via desktop and the EOS app with the most competitive fees in Turkey. //t Olorado/Feet Sajib Binance at Binance, March 2, 2020. Perhaps this should come as no surprise. The Turkish government appears to be getting serious where cryptocurrency is concerned. Several months ago, they confirmed plans for a Turkish central bank-backed digital currency in 2020. The country's largest settlements bank Bank has begun digitizing gold and other commodities. Turkey's seventh largest city Konya also revealed plans for its own cryptocurrency called City Coin recently. It plans to use this to drive improvements in local government services and infrastructure. And Binance CEO Changpeng Cheese was recently announced as a speaker at the upcoming Istanbul conference in Istanbul in April. Beyond government initiatives, what attracts Binance the most has to be the high level of awareness and usage of cryptocurrencies in this country. According to a survey by Statistica 1 in 5 Turk. You can read full post on cryptofans. News, link available in text below.